Hey everyone, it is a snowy Monday. I'm headed to a final walkthrough for a client. What is a final walkthrough? Well, basically it's the last step where we check to make sure that the home is in working order before my client goes to closing tomorrow. We check things like the electricity, the water, the appliances. I will give you a sneak peek once we get inside. Bye. There's several things we check at a final walkthrough. We check that the water gets hot. We check that the garbage disposal is working. We check all the appliances, turn on lights, flush toilets, you name it. We're also checking to make sure that all agreed upon items that were included in the sale are accounted for. If we ask for any repairs during the transaction, that those have been completed by the walkthrough. We're also checking the exterior of the home, not just the interior, making sure all the outlets work, making sure that the seller collected all their belongings, that nothing got left behind in a closet or a crawl space, making sure all keys are accounted for, the garage openers, mailbox keys, etc.